Hello, I'm astronaut Samantha Cristoferati. Welcome to Node 1, the place where we prepare our meals and eat up here on the International Space Station. I would like to show you one of my favorite meals up here, which is a chicken turmeric with champignon mushrooms, brown rice, and peas. And I would like to try and put the ingredients together for you, see how it works in space. Well, first of all, we don't have a plate. It wouldn't make much sense. So I'm gonna try and use a tortilla instead of a plate. We have plenty of those. They're kind of handy up here because they don't make crumbles, which are a little bit of a problem. And then I want to make sure that the ingredients stick to the tortilla. So I'm gonna start by spreading some peas cream. I have already heated the food pouches with the ingredients in the food warmer. So this is my first ingredient, peas. And this is one of the most important tools up here in space when it comes to the kitchen, a scissor to open the food pouch. So I'm gonna spread it on the tortilla. It's kind of hot. Okay, next I will add brown rice. It's whole rice, it's not refined, so a great source of good carbs. Next I will add some champignon mushrooms. And finally, my chicken with turmeric. There we go. It's not too bad considering that we are in weightlessness. Looks pretty yummy to me. Now, together with this video, you will also find a video that shows how to make this recipe in a normal Earth kitchen. In fact, I was taught how to prepare this recipe by the chef who prepared these space pouches for me, Stefano Polato. And you will find the list of ingredients and all the instructions. So maybe you want to try it in your kitchen, maybe with your family next weekend. If you do so, please make sure that you send us a picture or a little video, and we'll enjoy watching that. Very good.